Hello everyone, I'm super excited to welcome you to another unboxing with me, Olga Vanlite. And yes guys, super excited to do it with you. And yes guys, let's see what is inside. And as you can see, this is actually a lamp and it is for a vanity, right? So it's called Sunlite, a Linestra Vanity light. And yes guys, it comes with 16 watts and it works with 120 volts. Super excited about these because the lamp life is actually 30,000 hours. The energy use is 16,000 watts and the light output is 1,300 lumens. Absolutely love it, and I hope that all of you would be able to appreciate it as well. And again, with these easy contacts, you would just easily plug it in and you are ready to go.